Guys, we've had a crazy adventure. We are starting our trip to Hocking Hills right now. We got Monsieur Connor over here blaring music. But yeah, we're going to Hocking Hills National Park. It's located in Ohio, if you're not familiar where it is. But we're going to be going for the weekend. We got the trusty old 4Runner with the rooftop tent awning. He has his Colorado ZR2. You ready, Connor?
Yes, sir.
He's ready. Alrighty, 1 hour till destination. Headed to Walmart right now. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Alrighty, guys, we are going to an off-road trail right now. It's a blue. It should be fun. He hasn't off-roaded before, so we'll see. He's gonna do fine. He has the lift on his car. Mine's a little lower because I have the rooftop tent and the awning, and I don't have it lifted. So it's gonna be interesting to see if I can clear the stuff. But it should be a pretty simple trail. I looked at the pictures. So right now we are headed there, and the roads are very, very curvy. Alrighty, we got on the trail. There's Onyx off-road right there. So far it's not too bad. We got Connor behind us, but it just looks pretty decent right now. Okay. So far so good. Nice view over there. I can't tell if these are off-road trails over and to the right. I think they might be, but like, I don't know. Cars are getting dirty. Alrighty, we are headed back to camp. Ton of off-roading. Connor got stuck a little bit. I almost got stuck as well, but it was fun. This place is definitely crazy. I'll put it in the link in the description if you guys want to check it out, but it's pretty sick.
Oh, it's
It's supposed to. Does it lift up or is this as high as it goes? Yeah, this is as high as it goes. Put this right here. Bro, that cheese is actually really good.
We put it that's your player just so it's
Right here.
underneath it. Oh, sorry, I didn't realize it was.
Like this is an on it. It goes like this.
There's
Alrighty guys, we got the rooftop tent. I'm gonna pop up here. Got the light. Got the Power 1000 here. Mattress. It's pretty sick. Connor, how have you liked trip so far today?
oh shoot. I didn't mean to turn this on. Good.
Good?
Lots of fun, yeah.
First time off-roading, right?
Yeah, and I got stuck.
Hey, it happens to the best of us, so.
Well, I got peer pressured into doing the big one,
Yeah,
so.
he did peer pressure me too to do that. I didn't even want to go, but. Power 1000 over there charging everything. Got the fan, got the light. You can change different colors. This thing's a freaking tank. We will see in the morning. We're supposed to get a big storm, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. So,
Storm camping.
Yep. We'll see you. Good night. Beautiful morning in the beautiful state of Ohio. Alrighty, we got camp packed up right now. Headed to Hocking Hills National Park right now. And then we'll be back at this campsite tonight. But let's have some fun. It looks like the rain's holding off a little bit today, but we'll see.
Copyright. Don't sue us, Blake Shelton.
This is freaking cool. Got the 7200 2.8. We got Connor over here. Looking freaking sick. This is pretty sick. Really cool. Alrighty, we are getting everything packed away. As you can probably see, it's very windy out right now. A big storm's coming, so we're gonna get packed, get ready to go. Backed up our campground. We were here for a good 3 hours, took a nap. It was awesome. But now it's time to go because we don't want to get stuck in the storm.